Are you just getting started in magic and want to amaze your friends? Then you'll love the Magic Chamber. Here's what happens. You show your audience a clear, solid magic chamber and a solid ball. You place the lid on the magic chamber and place rubber bands around it to ensure the box is securely sealed. Next, you place the ball on top of the lid and cover it with a napkin or cloth. You then proceed to push the ball through the solid chamber. You remove the napkin and show the ball is inside the sealed chamber. Everything is examinable before and after the trick. The Magic Chamber includes everything you need to get started right away. The online video instructions will teach you all the secrets of the Magic Chamber. You will learn the secret to make the Magic Chamber work, how to perform the Magic Chamber, also includes a scripted story to help you entertain your audience and friends. Carry it with you everywhere you go. Magic Chamber is self-working, easy to learn, and easy to perform, so you will be able to perform with 100% confidence. Apprentice Magic welcomes you to the Magic Chamber.